Think you know everything about your automatic car? Well, you might be falling for some of the dumbest myths out there. And these myths could be damaging your vehicle without you even realizing it. Some of these so-called tips have been passed down for years, but in reality, they're just bad advice that can cost you hundreds, even thousands in repairs. From pointless fuel-saving tricks to harmful driving habits, these myths are fooling drivers everywhere. So buckle up, because in this video, we're busting the biggest automatic car myths that you should stop believing right now. And trust me, myth number 7, it's a mistake even experienced drivers make. 1. Myth: you should warm up your automatic car for several minutes before driving. It's freezing outside and you're sitting in your car, letting it idle for 5, maybe 10 minutes. Sounds reasonable, right? This outdated myth started back when carbureted engines needed extra time to warm up and run smoothly. But modern automatic cars are designed with advanced fuel injection systems that regulate engine temperature efficiently. Warming your car for too long is not just pointless, it's harmful. Letting your car idle excessively wastes fuel and leads to carbon buildup in the engine. This buildup can clog vital components like spark plugs and fuel injectors, reducing performance over time. Second myth: coasting in neutral saves fuel. Ever had someone say, "Hey, just shift to neutral when going downhill, you'll save gas"? Well, they're wrong. Modern automatic cars are designed to cut fuel injection when you ease off the accelerator while in drive. This means your car is already saving fuel when you coast without pressing the gas. On the other hand, shifting to neutral removes your ability to accelerate quickly if you need to avoid an obstacle or react to traffic conditions. Even worse, coasting in neutral limits engine braking, a crucial safety feature that naturally slows your car when you release the accelerator. Without it, your brakes have to work harder, which increases wear and tear. Third myth: automatic cars don't need transmission. Fluid changes. Automatic transmissions are sealed for life, they say. Sounds like a dream, right? But don't be fooled. While some modern cars are marketed with lifetime transmission fluid, this doesn't mean you can ignore it forever. Transmission fluid breaks down over time due to heat and friction. Old or dirty fluid loses its lubricating properties, which can cause your transmission to overheat, gears to slip, or even lead to total transmission failure. Fourth myth: using sport mode makes your car faster all the time. Ah yes, sport mode. It feels powerful, but is it really giving you turbo-like performance? Sport mode does improve throttle response and keeps your engine at higher RPMs, but it's not a magic button for speed. Instead, it simply changes how your car behaves by adjusting shift points. Overusing sport mode can place extra stress on your transmission and engine, especially if you're driving in stop-and-go traffic. Plus, it reduces fuel efficiency since your car stays in lower gears longer. Fifth myth: shifting to park stops your car completely. Have you ever seen someone slam their car into park while it's still rolling? They might think they're saving time, but they're actually damaging their transmission. When you put your car in park, a small metal pin called the parking pawl locks the transmission to prevent the wheels from moving. However, this pin isn't designed to stop a moving car. If you shift to park before stopping, that pin can snap, leaving your car prone to rolling away. Sixth myth: you can tow an automatic car with all 4 wheels on the ground. Oh, just hook it up and drag it. Bad advice. Automatic cars rely on transmission fluid to keep internal parts lubricated. When the engine is off, that fluid isn't circulating, meaning those moving parts are grinding against each other. Towing with all 4 wheels on the ground can destroy your transmission in minutes. 7 myth: riding the brake pedal doesn't hurt your car. You're in traffic, constantly pressing the brake pedal. What's the harm? The problem is heat. Keeping your foot on the brake while in drive puts continuous pressure on the transmission, causing it to overheat. This excessive heat breaks down transmission fluid faster and can cause long-term damage. 8. Myth: shifting between drive and reverse without stopping is fine. Some drivers treat their gear shift like a race car paddle, but this is one of the fastest ways to damage your transmission. Changing from drive to reverse without stopping forces the transmission to handle the braking, a job your brakes are designed for, not your gearbox. 9. Myth: automatic cars can't engine brake. Many people believe engine braking is only possible in manual cars, but that's far from true. In an automatic, simply easing off the accelerator allows the transmission to downshift naturally, slowing the car without excessive braking. Engine braking is especially helpful on steep declines, reducing wear on your brake pads. 10. Myth: automatic cars are maintenance-free. It's automatic. Less maintenance, right? Wrong again. While automatics require less frequent clutch work than manuals, they still need routine care. Transmission fluid changes, filter replacements, and even software updates are vital to keeping your automatic in peak condition. Falling for these myths could be costing you time, money, and even your car's safety. Which myth surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car care tips. Safe driving, and see you in the next video.